Hey everyone, welcome back to today's workout. In this one, we're going to be doing a 6-minute, six-pack upper abs workout. The layout of the workout is going to be in an Amrap style, so that's as many rounds as possible. We're going to be doing 2 rounds of 3 exercises for 3 minutes each. You're going to do 10 reps of each exercise. Once you finish the last exercise, it's as many rounds as possible, so you just keep repeating those 3 exercises through until 3 minutes is done. You are going to need to warm up for this one, so while you're doing that, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. If you enjoy it, give us a like as well, and comment down below what you want to see next. Once you've done that, let's get into today's workout. So we'll go straight in with round number 1. First 3 exercises we're going to be doing are number 1, a bicycle crunch. So we're going to be down on our back, hands by our head, opposite elbow meets opposite knee. 10 reps in total. That's 1 and 2 like that. 10 reps in total. Then exercise number 2 is going to be a straight leg sit up. So just go as straight as your legs flexibility will allow. From here, crunch all the way up until you reach 90 degrees with your legs and your body. That's exercise number 2. And then number 3, frog crunches. Put your feet together like so. Bring your heels into your body. You're going to crunch up, touch your heels, and come back down. Okay, again, 10 reps of each. 3 minutes. Once you finish those frog crunches, go straight back up to the bicycle crunches. Okay, and do as many reps as you can. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, off we go. So, bicycle crunches first. Crunch up. 10 in total. After this one, we go to our straight leg sit up. Okay, so legs go straight in front of us again with this one. If you can't get your legs fully straight and right down here, don't worry, that's more flexibility. All we're looking for is the legs staying still and on the ground. Especially as we go down as well, we're not letting our legs then tip up in the air like this. Okay, so we're crunching up. Feet are staying still on the floor as they can do. Obviously, if they move a little bit, that's fine. Hands by your head, crunch all the way up again until you make that 90 ground. We don't want to be crunching up here, coming back down. Once you've done these, it's one of those frog crunches. And if you're already there, if you're already finishing those frog crunches, you finish those, you go straight back up to your bicycle crunches. So it's completely up to you how fast you go and how many reps you do. But you try and do as many as possible with your frog crunches. If you're struggling to touch your heels, bring the heels closer towards you and crunch up from there and touch. Okay, so you can bring them closer. If it's too easy, you can crunch even further and come back down. You can put your feet further away from you, crunch up, come back down. Good. Near that. Super. Okay. Over halfway on round number 1. That's it. Perfect. Keep going. Whichever exercise you're on, just keep the core working the whole time. If at any point your neck starts hurting, put a hand behind your head and that will stop that neck from hurting. That's not the idea of any ab exercise. If at any point your neck does start hurting, then you just need to put a hand behind your head. See if you can finish the round you're on, or 2 rounds in total. That's your goal. We've got 35 seconds. Keep working. Good. Perfect. Keep working. Put it in there. We've got 20 seconds. Good. Don't stop until the timer hits 3 minutes. 10 seconds to go. Good. Crunch it up. Spot. 3, 2, 1. Good. And relax. Fantastic. Okay. Cool. Shake it out. Grab yourself a drink if you need to. So, next 3 exercises for round number 2. We're going to do heel taps, normal crunches, and V-sits. They're the three. So, first one, heel taps. Again, down our back, crunch up, touch your heels. So a bit like the frog crunch, rather than feet going like this, feet are flat on the floor, crunch up, touch the heels. Second one, normal crunch, hands then go straight between your legs, reaching out as far towards whatever's in front of you, wall or whatever, as you can, okay? Exercise number 3, V-sit, hands above your head, legs out in front of you. You're going to crunch up, if you can, touch your shoes, touch your shins, reach as far up your leg as you can, and then come back down. Okay, so there you're free. Still, 10 reps of each. 3 minutes, ready, off we go. So, heel taps first, crunch up, sit. Good. Once you've done your 10, you then go straight to your normal crunches. Good. That's it. Keep working. Let's turn these. Hands above your head. And we crunch up. We touch our feet. Like I said, you can't touch your feet. Just try and touch your shins. Okay? That's good enough, but you're trying to reach as far up your body as you can. That's it. Good. Keep working. Spot on. Once you've done 10, back round 2. Those heel taps. Again, any point, put that hand behind your head. One key thing, especially with these 3 exercises, is that it's your shoulders that are coming up off the floor, not your head. So you're not just doing this with your head and reaching and touching your heels. You're actually crunching up off the floor, getting your shoulders off the ground to then reach your heels, alright? That way it's going to push your back into the mat, so you shouldn't feel like you can put your hand between your back and the mat, and your core is going to stay engaged the whole time, okay? So with your crunches here, or your heel taps or your crunches, your shoulders are coming up, not the head. Easy way to do it, just look straight up at the ceiling. If you look forwards, you know you've moved your head up. Same with the V-sits. As you crunch up, that's why I'm getting you to touch your shoes or your toes. That's going to force you to lift your shoulders up off the floor. Again, it's pressing your back into the mat the whole time. If you were to only go to here, I could leave my shoulders on the floor and put my head up and feel like I'm reaching forwards. But actually, there's no core work in there. Good. Keep it going. Nearly there, in the last minute. Good. Perfect. Okay, finish what round you're on. Finish the exercise you're on. But we've got nearly into the last 30 seconds. Try and finish that round. Finish the exercise. Good, good, good. Fantastic, keep going. Nearly there. 15 seconds. Don't stop again until the timer stops. Nearly there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Super. Good, good, good. Okay, grab yourself a drink, stretch your core out as well. That's saving on some DOMs for tomorrow. That's it guys, looks like if you did enjoy, hit the like button, comment on what you want to see next. More abs, some more hip, pump, etc. Let me know down in the comments. Okay, until the next one, see you then, thank you very much.